Planning to write JAMB in 2026? Here is the simple step-by-step guide you must follow to avoid mistakes. Let's go. Step 1. Generate your profile code. First, take a phone and send an SMS. NIN, your 11-digit number, to 55019 or 66019. For example, your NIN is 12345678901. You send it to 55019 or 66019. Remember, JAMB will send you a profile code. Remember, whatever is on your NIN is exactly what JAMB will use. So make sure your NIMC details are correct. Step 2. Visit a JAMB office or accredited CBT center. Next, take your profile code to the nearest JAMB office or accredited CBT center. This is where your picture, biometrics, and subject will be captured. Only accredited centers can do this. Step 3. Buy your ePIN from approved channels. You must buy your ePIN from approved places only. Banks, trusted online platforms, or accredited vendors inside the CBT center. Don't buy from random agents to avoid being scammed. Step 4. Check that your details match your NIN. Before your sum is submitted, confirm that your name, date of birth, gender, and state of origin match exactly with your NIN. If anything is wrong, go to NIMC first and fix it. Step 5. Use your own phone number and email. The phone number and email you use become your unique JAMB identity. Don't share them and don't use someone else's. Common errors to avoid. If you see error 55/66019, your SMS format is wrong. Number already registered. Data same has already been used before. Try another number. Unable to verify NIN. NIMC is busy. Try again later. Biometric issues. Don't allow forceful capture. Go straight to a JAMB office. Registration dates. Registration runs from January 31st to March 8th, 2026. Don't wait till the last week. And that's your quick guide for the 2026 UTME. Stay prepared, stay sharp. If you want an app that gives real JAMB questions, explanations, and mock tests, download Test Driller today. Your success starts now.